Ladies and gentlemen, for reasons you will soon understand, the makers of this motion picture ask you not to divulge what you are now about to see to any living person. Thank you. We take you now to the independent Duchy of Grand Fenwick, the smallest country on the face of the globe. This tiny but prosperous nation, which occupies a total area of 15 3/4 square miles, lies high in the French Alps. Somewhere along... I beg your pardon. Somewhere along... Oh yes, here. Grand Fenwick was founded in the year 1430 by Sir Roger Fenwick, a poor but honest British baronet, who, as he later said, took a fancy to the neighborhood and moved in. Thus, thanks to Sir Roger, Fenwick is the only English-speaking country in Europe. Modern Fenwick is ruled by the Duchess Gloriana XII, who is a direct descendant of Sir Roger and is beloved by all her subjects. Although still in mourning for her departed consort, Count Leopold of Bosnia-Herzegovina, who disappeared during a tiger hunt 27 years ago, the Duchess takes an active interest in her country's welfare. Fenwick's Parliament. Here is the hereditary Prime Minister, Count Rupert of Mountjoy, a graduate of both Oxford and Cambridge. Fenwick's Forest. Here in these sheltered glades, the welfare of its feathered and furry folk is watched over by Fenwick's hereditary forest ranger, Tully Bascombe. Fenwick's Army. Although Fenwick has been at peace for 500 years, the longbow remains the national weapon. Here the army exercises under the guidance of Tully Bascombe, who is also hereditary Field Marshal and Grand Constable of the Armed Forces.
Aim! Fire!
If many Fenwickians seem to resemble each other, this may perhaps be ascribed to the influence of the founder, who was in every